Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib, and in this tutorial video, we will learn how to configure a text visibility or hide property. In a SCADA system, controlling the visibility of text is a common requirement for creating dynamic and user-friendly operator interface. So here I have one pump and I want to display auto manual data through visibility or hide property. So as you can see here, um, in this pump, once I will enable signal from the field or from the PLC controller, I will press input. So as you can see here, I'm getting the auto status. So once I will change the selector switch, so here you can see I'm getting the manual status. So this I configure through visibility property. So we'll learn in this tutorial video how we can configure the visibility property over the text. So now we'll come in the WinCC Explorer. Here we already developed in the previous tutorial one graphics screen. So we'll open it. So graphic designer is open now. So we'll take a static text, click here in the static text and just put it there, and we'll write a text here. Suppose I write auto as enter, and now few steps we'll do, like I want transparent background. So first select the static text object and come in effect, and the global color scheme go to no, and secondly come in the style and fill pattern transparent, so the background will remove. And now I want to remove this line, outer line, so come in the line width and put it 0. Now the font size is very less, so I will increase it, like I'll just put it 20 or 25. Yeah, okay, 25 is okay. Okay, now I want to change the color of text. Come here in the color, and the font color is black. I want to put it white. That's it. Similar manner, I will duplicate it, and now here I want to put the name of manual. Manual. I just increase the width. Okay, further. So I want to align as, and this one is object to align. So now I will come here in the static, as I will select the static text and then select the miscellaneous, and then here in display, right click, dynamic dialog. In this tutorial video, we'll learn how we can hide and hide our text using the dynamic dialog. So select the display option, then right click, and after that, first we'll select our tag. So here I already created a tag with the name of pump1 auto, and this tag just selected OK. After that, select a boolean. Now I want once the value is true, only this text should display. In the false condition, I never want to display. So just double click or display no. So it will change from yes to no. That's it. Just press OK. And similar manner, manual also come here in the static text, then miscellaneous display, and then here right click dynamic dialog and select the tag, and then com1 manual and select the boolean option and double click here. So I want once the from the PLC the value is true, in that case this should display, otherwise it should not display. Just press OK, and I will just bring it down both of them. Okay, so I just align it here, save it, and after that run. So runtime is open now, and once I will turn on input signal from the field, as you can see the auto is visible in this time now. And when I will change the selector string over the manual position, then my manual is visible now. So Alhamdulillah, we learn how we can configure visibility property in the WinCC SCADA. So thanks for watching this video.